Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn on professional mode on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we will start our video. For that, access your Facebook on your mobile phone first. Once you have access to your Facebook, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon with three horizontal line on top left right corner of the screen, and tap on your profile again, and then you will find this three dot icon beside edit profile, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and this will show you in the below section called turn on professional mode. Once you have tapped on that option, it will show you, you can see what this professional mode provides you: get paid for your content, see content insights, let more people follow you, and tap on this turn on given below. And then you're gonna go ahead, you can see connect with your audience. It will show you the steps for you to complete. Once you have check on that, you simply have been able to connect. You can simply go ahead, tap on and create your first post after the professional mode, and you can go back, and then if you tap on this three dot icon again, you can see this. Now we have turned professional mode off. That means we have turned on the professional mode successfully, and we can even see the SG dashboard and the different setup for the professional. So that is how you can change it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.